Right, hello and welcome back to the channel. I'm Ian, this is NE Builds. Today I bought a Mazda RX8 rotary. Right, so me and Dylan have come down Middlesbrough today to our Teesside to pick up this RX8, which is going to be a donor for the Mazda truck. But to be honest, it's quite clean, so I think I'm going to put it through an MOT, use it for a bit, make sure the engine isn't just going to blow up straight away, and just have a bit of fun out of it in the winter. Now that it's rainy all the time, it's now better than LSD. Now obviously you've seen that we fit an LSD in Dylan's Mazda the other day, so we'll probably do a spot of drifting later on once we get this home there. Aye, right, let's head home. So it's got some nice little tasteful mods inside, nice chunky steering wheel, Bose sound system, little queer gear knob, but it's
Mishimoto man.
Is that what it is?
Mishimoto.
Yeah, it's quite nice inside though. Luxurious compared to an MX5. Well, to be fair, it's probably quite similar to an NC MX5, which I've only had any is, and an NB. But it's lovely. Right then, so we've plugged it in, using a little app that Dylan's got, and there's a few. Powertrain, secondary air injection system control.
Cylinder 2 misfire. Heater control circuit, bank low. That's probably because it's got the O2 sensor took out.
Cylinder 2 misfire detected. Can you clear them?
Yes.
And then we shall try and read them again, see if they disappear. Wishful thinking like, but it might.
Done. Engine lights out.
Rotaries.
Rated again now.
Aye, they're so much fun. I mean, you maybe have to drive about a bit, but we'll see. It should give you some of the gain there.
If there's anything just sensor wise that will be straight on, the O2 sensor.
Just the O2 sensor,
Yeah.
which he said it's got an aftermarket exhaust, and the cat's probably going to disappear.
System 2 lane, bank 1 also be from your O2 sensor, I would imagine. Because it's not picking up how much
Fuel's left
shy
over.
stuff's gone through. So that then will probably just keep coming back. But you didn't get an engine light for that?
I do. Well, I wonder if the engine light was on because of that misfire then.
Might have been, might have just, you know, when I was trying to start it and it was...
I wanted to start but not.
It took like 3 weeks to start.
That's one of the things I missed out in the video when we got there. And I tried to start it, it just wouldn't start. It just smelled really rich of petrol. So we started to try to crank it a couple of times, and it was having none of it. We were going to leave, but then we got some jump leads off a guy who lived over the road, hooked the kid's mum's car up to it, just so it would keep cranking it, just to clear out any fuel that was there. And it kept like hiccuping and popping, and then eventually it started, and it's been running fine ever since. Obviously you've just seen them codes there. We've wiped them now, so we'll keep you updated with the RX8. Rotaries, man. Mint. Some little pops.
Dying.
Right, so that's pretty much it for picking up the RX8. I've been using it for about a week. The rotary hasn't died yet. It does donuts, it's got the power. So I think I'm going to start stripping the engine out of the truck, and you can watch that in the next video. If you've enjoyed this video, make sure to like it, subscribe to the channel so you can see more content like this. Peace out.